In this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make industrial wall shelf in Sketchup. First of all, we have to prepare this wall anyway, this existing wall with any thickness, for example, about around 150 millimeter. So then we can make the shelf with board. We can use a rectangle to make front view of this shelf with any thickness. We can set the thickness around 50 millimeter of the thickness, and then we can push it to the front. We can push it to the front around 300 millimeter. It's just for example. You can adjust the width and the thickness of every single shelf over there. So then we have to make it group. Okay, and then we can select the line. We can place draw this support in here. Okay, so then we can select it all, and then we can offset it inside. We can offset it inside around 5 millimeter, and then we can select. We can close this line anyway. So and then we can push it to the another side, something like this. Okay, and then we can just make it group, and we can make it more larger than this self wide anyway. So then we can select it. Then we can select a move. Then we can place on this position, so you can see about the details anyway, and you can see about the detail of this position. Okay, anyway we can make it component, create, then we can make the color. Okay, and then we can uh, assign the support color. So and then we can make it small connection of it. We can make it, we can push it to the front and make group and just place this support. And then we can move, and okay, we can duplicate it. Okay, just something like this. It's okay, and then we can select it and make it group and make component and just create. Okay, so then we can select this object, select move, and press Control to duplicate it. Then we can duplicate it in this position, and maybe we can just adjust the position of the shelf anyway. And okay, we can move it to the front. We can move it to the front, so then we can adjust the support on the console. We can select it, and then we can move. Okay, we can place on this position. Okay, and then we can select a rustic wood. Maybe we can use this to look more industrial. So and then we can select it all, and we can select move and press Control it. Or maybe we can make it component and then create and select it all, and then we can select move and duplicate it. Okay, just something like this, and then we can make the wall texture with the brick. Then we can select it and press on this. Anyway, we can also make the another color of the wall with RGB setting, just like this, and then we can select color wheel, and we can set the color of the wall itself. Okay, maybe just something like this. You can see about the detail anyway. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, and just wait for my next video. Thank you.